In today's video, I will teach you how to create a full spectrum circle effect in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a full spectrum circle effect in Gimp can add a vibrant and dynamic element to your designs. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this eye-catching effect. The first step is creating a spectrum circle in Inkscape. Open Inkscape and create a circle. Then right-click on the fill color and select Inset to remove the fill. Then lower the opacity of the circle to 40%. Then click on the circle again to see the rotation mark, then drag the rotation center downward. Then go to Edit, select Clone, then select Create Tiled Clone. Then adjust the tiled clone values as desired. And click the Create button to generate the full spectrum circle. Then create a black rectangle and place it behind the spectrum circle. Then save the image. Now we're going to polish the spectrum circle in Gimp. To do this, import the full spectrum circle image into Gimp. Then go to Filters, Enhance, then on Sharp Mask. Then use 0.1 for the radius, 6 for the amount, and 0 for the threshold value. Then duplicate the layer, and go to Filters, Enhance, then Sharpen. Then use 40 for the values. Then flatten the image to finalize the effect. By following these steps, you can create a stunning full spectrum circle effect in Gimp that will enhance your designs and captivate viewers with its vibrant colors. Experiment with different settings and adjustments to customize the effect to your liking. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.